Nutribullet Pro, your ultimate nutrient extraction powerhouse. Using it is as easy as a 1, 2, 3. Simply load your selected ingredients into the cup, attach the Nutribullet extractor blade, and secure it onto the power base. In a matter of moments, witness the Nutribullet Pro in action as it expertly breaks down stems, seeds, and skins, unlocking the full nutritional potential of every smoothie. Cleanup is a breeze. After use, a quick rinse is all it takes to prepare for your next delicious creation. The Nutribullet Pro ensures you're back on your way in mere seconds. Behind its remarkable performance lies the Nutribullet Pro's robust 900-watt motor, working in harmony with cyclonic action to conquer even the toughest ingredients. This incredible device takes ordinary foods and transforms them into superfoods, ensuring you get the most out of your meals. Included in the package are the Nutribullet extractor blade, 2 generously sized 32-ounce cups, and 2 convenient flip-top lids for when you're on the move. Whether you're aiming to optimize your performance, boost your post-workout recovery, or simply enhance your overall well-being through improved nutrition, your journey toward a healthier lifestyle begins here with the Nutribullet Pro. Experience the Nutribullet Pro difference today. Your path to a healthier, more vibrant life awaits. Nutribullet Pro, unleashing the power of nutrition in every sip.